Let's convert the above infix expression into the prefix. So the expression is given, this is the infix expression and we have to convert it into prefix. Okay, so this is going to be done in 3 different steps. We have to first reverse the above expression, then we are going to solve it, and again the final answer we are going to reverse it, and then we get our prefix expression. Okay, so first reverse the above expression. The reverse of above expression is we have to convert the right parenthesis into the left, then there is a L minus K divided by A, then there is a left parenthesis, convert it into right, multiplication, again right parenthesis into left, C divided by B minus A, and left parenthesis into the right. Okay, so this is a reverse of above expression. Now solve the above expression. So the first symbol is left parenthesis. It directly goes into the stack. If the operator comes, it goes into stack. If operand comes, then it goes into the prefix expression. Okay, the next symbol is L. L is an operand, so it goes into the expression. Then there is a minus. Minus goes into the stack. Here is a L. Then it comes K. K is an operand, so it directly goes into the expression. Now there is a division operator. So here is division. In stack we have minus division, and here we have L and K. Okay, now the next symbol is A. A is an operand, so it goes into the expression LKA, and in stack we have these symbols. Okay, now there is a right parenthesis. Okay, so in stack we have left parenthesis minus division right parenthesis, and here we have L, K and A. Okay, so there are two operators inside the left parenthesis and right parenthesis, so this gets cancelled. The first operator, that means the top of the stack, is division, so it gets pop first and then the minus. Okay, the next one is multiplication. So multiplication goes into the stack, and here we have LKA division minus. The next symbol is left parenthesis. So in stack we have multiplication left parenthesis, and here we have LKA division minus. Okay, now the next symbol is C. C is an operand, it directly goes into the expression. In stack we have multiplication and left parenthesis, and in stack we already have LKA division minus, and we insert C. Okay, the next one is division. So here we have multiplication, left parenthesis, division, and here we have LKA division minus C. The next symbol is B. B is an operand, so it goes into the expression. So here we have LKA division minus C, B, and stack as it is. Okay, the next one is a minus. Okay, so when we insert minus here, there is already a division operator, and when we insert minus, so the rule applies. Minus have low priority and division has high priority. So the rule is low priority operator cannot stay above the high priority operator. So in order to insert minus into the stack, we have to remove division first. Here the expression is LKA division minus CB division, and in stack we have multiplication left parenthesis and minus. Okay, the next symbol is A. A is an operand, so it directly goes into the expression, and in stack we have multiplication left parenthesis and minus. Okay, the last one symbol is a right parenthesis. So here we have multiplication left parenthesis minus right parenthesis, and the expression as it is. Okay, now the minus comes in between left and right parenthesis, so it get cancelled. So the minus place here in expression, and we have only one operator left in our stack, so it again get pop and insert into the postfix expression. So this is our final answer. We are again going to reverse it. So the reverse of the above expression is multiplication minus A divided by BC minus division AKL. So this is our final prefix expression for the above infix expression.